Managing and converting your OFT files has never been easier. Introducing GainTools OFT Converter, the ultimate solution to convert your Outlook template, OFT, files into multiple file formats quickly, securely, and accurately. GainTools OFT Converter is packed with powerful features to help you streamline your workflow. Convert OFT files into 8 different formats, including PST, PDF, MSG, MBOX, EML, EMLX, HTML, and MHTML. No size limitations. You can convert even the largest OFT files without any restrictions. Multiple options to select your OFT files, giving you flexibility in file management. GainTools OFT Converter allows you to migrate your OFT files directly to popular IMAP servers like Gmail, AOL, Office 365, and more. This feature makes it easier than ever to transfer your email templates to cloud-based email clients. How to convert OFT files step-by-step process. Download and open GainTools OFT Converter. Browse for the OFT file you wish to convert. The software will display a preview of the OFT file, ensuring you select the correct one for conversion. Next, click the Export button and choose your preferred output format, whether it's PST, MSG, MBOX, PDF, or any of the other supported formats. The conversion is done with just a click of the Convert Now button. Need to upload your OFT files to the cloud? Simply select the Upload to IMAP Server option to move your email templates to platforms like Gmail, Office 365, or AOL. GainTools OFT Converter, the easiest way to convert and migrate your Outlook template files. Download it today and experience a seamless, hassle-free conversion process. For more query, visit our website, www.gaintools.com. Thanks for watching.